ain't heard this one yet, my nigga, tell a DJ play this shit. Street shit. Back Alley official. We up now. We up now.
Oh, man. 6 on that dice, man. Another 50 on the 6 straight, man. All that shit, man.
Let me have my shit, man. Hold on, bro. Brody calling. Hold on, though. Hello? I'm busting these niggas' ass, so what's good, Brody? Yeah, we deep in this bitch. We already turned. What's the move tonight? Alright, bet. Give us 20, we be up in that bitch. Yeah.
My young niggas stay fly. Keep that tool on like a locksmith. Young Rossi, Natty, Beto Buck, TwoTwin. This thing of ours, we'll leave them with hood.
I keep it still like a locksmith. I hated being a broke boy, I couldn't cop shit. Now I hit the mall like man, I already got this. These hoes a waste of time, don't need a TikTok bitch. Hey, I keep it still like a locksmith. I hated being a broke boy, I couldn't cop shit. Now I hit the mall like man, I already got this. These hoes a waste of time, don't need a TikTok bitch. They know Beto about that paper. I stack them hundreds, bitch, you know it's nothing major. These hoes be calling me, I told her see you later. These hoes a waste of time, they always want a favor. Hey, they like Beto with a lean at. I hit the mall solo, they like where your team at. These hoes be chasing me, they know I let my green stack. Bitch, I be foreign whipping, bitch, you never seen that. Monkey knots in my jeans, but you know they can't fold. All these hoes on my glow, cause they see it might go. My wrist froze, so you know she go. My wrist froze, so you know she go.
Hey, with a Glock at. That pistol ain't gon' jam, I already got it caught back. My money just like Pringles, baby, get your own side. Smoking ganja, I can't see like my phone crack. And I be dripped up to the max, I'm trying not to sink. Bankroll getting thicker by the day, it ain't gon' never shrink. And these niggas wrestle, I can't let them master explain to me. And how is you a foreign bitch, your pockets is on injury. Can't none of my niggas say I changed up for the paper. All my twins keep it bangers with the lasers. Like my bitches blonde, pussy pink like an eraser. Fuck Mesa, and I don't even gotta date us. Wanna hang with the gang, wanna live a twin life. I got glaciers on my chain, ain't fucking with that thin nice. I'm gon' pass that bitch to the rest of my niggas who get right. Want me cause I'm riding forward when shoot I hit high.
Hey, I'm smoking dope on with the twin gang. You talking shit, you guaranteed to get your chin sprained. All my niggas flexing and your bitch can't get a damn thing. 30 on my wrist and plus a Henny on my damn chain. Hey, TwoTwin on the map, bitch. Shout out Smalls, my nigga be on some trap shit. I ain't never worried, all my niggas down to clap shit. Just finesse the plug and now my pack just did a backflip. Hey, all my niggas flexing, but we don't get no fucks. When my bro Beto bucks, hop out, we throw them bucks. And we don't fuck with sluts. These sluts, they fuck with us. Simply not double cup, dope roll up a Dutch. But yeah, I fuck with once. Won't get a call for months. Them twins be in the cut, and they gon' take you up. We drip like water pumps. Drop bands, I am a clutch. Them twins gon' fuck you up. Run up a check for once. I keep it still like a locksmith. I hated being a broke boy, I couldn't cop shit. Now I hit the mall like man, I already got this. These hoes a waste of time, don't need a TikTok bitch. Hey, I keep it still like a locksmith. I hated being a broke boy, I couldn't cop shit. Now I hit the mall like man, I already got this. These hoes a waste of time, don't need a TikTok bitch. Hey.
Back Alley official. We up now. We up now.